Welcome to my YouTube video about Africa, the second largest continent in the world, covering 30.2 million square kilometers from the largest hot desert in the world to the longest river in the world. Africa is full of amazing facts that will leave you in awe. In this video, we'll explore 20 incredible facts about Africa, including its diverse wildlife, stunning landscapes, rich cultural heritage, and much more. So sit back, relax, and let's take a journey to discover the wonders of Africa together. Number 1. Africa is the second largest continent in the world and covers 30.2 million square kilometers. Number 2. The Sahara Desert, located in North Africa, is the largest hot desert in the world. Number 3. Lake Victoria, which is located in East Africa, is the largest lake in Africa and the second largest freshwater lake in the world. Number 4. The Nile River, which flows through Egypt, Sudan, and other African countries, is the longest river in the world, stretching over 6,650 kilometers. Number 5. Africa is home to the world's largest land animal, the African elephant, which can weigh up to 6,000 kilograms. Number 6. The African continent has over 2,000 languages spoken across its countries. Number 7. The Great Rift Valley, which runs through several African countries, including Ethiopia, Kenya, and Tanzania, is the world's largest geological fault. Number 8. The highest point in Africa is Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania, which stands at 5,895 meters tall. Number 9. The Okavango Delta in Botswana is the world's largest inland delta and is home to a diverse range of wildlife. Number 10. Africa has the largest population of young people in the world, with over 60% of its population under the age of 25. Number 11. The Namib Desert, located in Namibia, is the oldest desert in the world, estimated to be around 55 million years old. Number 12. The African baobab tree, which can live for over 1,000 years, is one of the largest and most recognizable trees in Africa. Number 13. The continent has over 500 species of primates, including gorillas, chimpanzees, and baboons. Number 14. The largest waterfall in Africa and one of the largest in the world, Victoria Falls, is located on the border between Zambia and Zimbabwe. Number 15. The Sahara Desert was once a fertile savanna around 10,000 years ago, and early human civilizations thrived in the region. Number 16. Africa is home to several iconic animals, including lions, leopards, cheetahs, giraffes, and zebras. Number 17. The African penguin, also known as the jackass penguin, is found only on the southwestern coast of Africa. Number 18. The Serengeti in Tanzania is home to one of the world's most famous wildlife migrations, with over 1.5 million wildebeest, zebras, and gazelles moving through the region every year. Number 19. Africa has a rich cultural heritage, with over 3,000 tribes living across the continent, each with its own unique customs and traditions. Number 20. The African Union, a continental organization consisting of 55 member states, was formed in 2002 to promote unity and cooperation among African countries. Thanks for watching my video about Africa. I hope you enjoyed learning about the diverse wildlife, stunning landscapes, rich cultural heritage, and incredible facts that make Africa such a fascinating continent. Let's continue to explore the world together and stay curious. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting content.